Are you ready for some magic in the Thermomix? Let's do it! This recipe, I've always said that it's like magic, so I really want to show you, okay? So I'm gonna go in my app and I'm going to choose the candied almonds. That's what I'm going to cook, and because I chose it, here is waiting for me in my week. And here we go, you see candied almonds. I'm just gonna click it and I can say start cooking. I should do like magicians, right? Look, there's absolutely nothing there for now, right? And you see how clean it is? You're gonna see it like that later again. All right, so let's read here what it's telling us, because we're about to use a mode that is called sugar stages. To guarantee the success of recipes using sugar stages mode, the ingredients used must match exactly the quantity and description given. The recipe should also be cooked immediately after placing the sugar with the other ingredients in the mixing bowl. Okay, this is like chemistry. We're about to do magic and chemistry all together. Okay, so 100 grams of sugar. Let's add 100 grams, and I want to be completely accurate, right? We're gonna use the scale. As you always see, the scale is implemented in the Thermomix, and it's telling us where we're at. 98, 101. Okay, I think I'm gonna be fine with 1 gram. Can you please forgive me? By the way, let's look at the ingredients. Sugar, water, and toasted almonds. I toasted them for like 5 minutes only, really quick, and here they are. All right, 100 of sugar. Then we have 50 grams of water. That's nothing. Let me see if I can just do the 50 grams of water. Easy. 48, almost there. Okay, so place the splash guard on top of the mixing bowl lid. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put the splash guard. And this is going to protect me. When we're using the high heat mode, it wants to breathe, but it doesn't want to make a mess in your kitchen. And also, you see these 2 little pieces here? They're going to lock here, so it's not gonna let me take a peek when it's going on high heat mode. So place the splash guard on top of the mixing bowl lid, and we're gonna go 4 minutes. We're going to turn the mode. Okay, so right now for a mode, all we have to do is turn it a little, and it's gonna go a whole 4 minutes. Okay, so right now it's heating, and the time will start counting down when caramelizing temperature is reached. I could walk away, and that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back to make this magic. The sugar stages are happening right now. You see that little icon that says the sugar stages? So it's been working. It did work for like 3 minutes first, heating up, and then the 4-minute timer started going down, and right now we have 25 seconds left. So we'll see what just happened, okay? 3, 2, 1, and let's see. All right, now we need 200 grams of toasted almonds, which is what we have right here. This is ready to go, so let's throw them in. And then we're going to cover it with the measuring cup. It wants us to keep moving fast, and move it. 35 seconds, that's all it's gonna take. Remember, this is where the magic is happening. I had toasted almonds, and I just put them here, and we're just gonna go 35 seconds, okay? And the sugar was doing that sugar stages mode with the water, where it was reaching a point where anything that you throw in there is gonna become candied. So we're gonna do candied almonds. Duh. I have a plate here, and let's see if it worked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if our magic is done. You see that? This is amazing. I gotta show you a little closer. I'm serious. Look at that. Ta-da! So let's get rid of this, and let's put all of this in this plate right here. Look at that. See how they come out? Candied almonds. I told you, you didn't believe me. Here we have a whole plate of candied almonds. Look at this beauty. Candied almonds for a party, for your friends, for your kids. Really cool, right? And delicious. They're really addictive, by the way. So you see this bowl? I really need you to take a quick look at that. Quick, not quick, whatever you want. But you see how sticky it is? So this recipe implemented a step right after that says place 100 grams of water. So it wants us to clean it right away. It doesn't want to give us a chance to wait until tomorrow or later. We have to do it right now. So let's do it, okay? So we're gonna put right there. Then we're going to put white vinegar. Usually when I use the self-cleaning mode, I put dishwasher, but in this case it's asking for 15 grams of white vinegar. So, you know, let's give it what it wants. A second magic trick right here. So it wants us to cover it. And now we're going to do the self-cleaning mode. So it says, please turn the speed selector to start. And I could choose dough, universal, fat or caramel, and browning. I'm going to choose fat or caramel. There you go. Pre-cleaning. Set second magic trick. Okay, so you see what's happening right now? It's heating up the water and it's throwing that water really, really strong towards the blades to clean them. So that's why when we open it, it's gonna be amazingly clean. And again, this is called the self-cleaning mode or pre-wash. It is a pre-wash. Sometimes you have to help it a little, sometimes you just have to rinse it. And this is the last part. You see, it's working really, really hard. And it's ready. Let's see what happened here. Rinse the mixing bowl. I will rinse it. Thank you very much. This is very, very hot water. And I'm going to throw it here. Imagine that this is my sink because this is my decoration kitchen. I will be rinsing it, but right now I'm just going to show you. Look at that amazing thing. I had a little spot, only a tiny, tiny, tiny little spot of the almond. All right, I got it. But you see, out of factory, right? It's clean. It's amazing. So trick number 1, turn almonds into candied almonds. Trick number 2, turn a very, very dirty bowl into this. Ta-da! Do you need a Thermomix in your life? You know what to do. Write to me right here and we'll be talking right away. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.